Easy mode sets the hysteresis value automatically. The hysteresis value is fixed at the set value regardless of the pressure detection level. When the hysteresis value is 3 sticks and the pressure detection level is 100. When measured value reaches 100, out1 is outputted. The output is maintained up to 97 by the hysteresis value. In run mode, press M key for 3 seconds to enter parameter group 1. OUT1 refers to the operation mode of the OUT1 output terminal. Set to easy mode. Hold the M key for 3 seconds to return to run mode. In run mode, press M key for 4 seconds to enter parameter group 2. Press the M key. HYS refers to the hysteresis value of easy mode. The hysteresis value per bar is as above. Hold the M key for 3 seconds to return to run mode. Press up key in run mode. P-1 refers to pressure detection level. According to pressure detection level set value, OUT1 is on. Hold down key and set 100. Parameter setting is completed.